friends, and welcome to Bitenium. I would like to introduce myself as the CEO and founder of Bitenium. That it's an AI exchange that we are doing development, PC version, mobile version, and so I would like to feel that with our experience, pretty much for a long time, that just that we have jumped into the exchange for last 1 year, due to COVID, the difference of the marketing and promotions and all. Ready to start now and move further ahead with our software as a full good chance of making money, as I've shown you with our performance in few months of our result of algo trading. The Bitenium main product is for AI algo trading. It's based on PC version if you want to use your AI version for trading. But we have a basic version for many users and the friendly users like other exchanges. This name as Bitenium, but for web version and mobile versions, you can use it easily without any cookies and all. So you might be interested in using advanced version or web version. Both things are available. The concept of our trading and investment is cryptocurrency is a 24 hours trading experience per days. It's a new trend version of Bitcoin, Ethereum. You guys must have heard that of blockchain technology, NFTs, DeFi, and all those things. So we decided to start sharing our experience and develop the softwares, how to use the Bitenium, what is Bitenium based on, how do we invest in Bitenium, how do we start trading in Bitenium. So this is just the beginning first day lesson. You can say, just here you can say that it will help you, software will help you in your trading activities easily without monitoring. You can have an alert. There's so many good functions in there. So let us start with a simple, a basic web version first. So what you need to do is, like you can see the web version. If you go to Bitenium at the top, or you will see this all information available. Normal like the web version, basic version, which has like trading view charts, news, heat maps, and all those things. But we have more functions like liquidation, whale alert, which I'll show you step by step. So we are trying to focus how to use the Bitenium web version first, so that you guys can understand that this is the basic that you are familiar. All other exchanges, the difference is what we have in our own chart and all those things, that our own libraries. Plus we have even trading view libraries that we can use, trading view add-ons, indicators, features. We have currently in the spot trading. For future we just have Bitcoin, and we are testing based on beta version on mobile. So we have Android and iOS as well. So you can download from Google Play and App Stores to see the functions, how to use the mobile version. We start with basic web version first, and in future we come up next week again with more advanced versions, which will be like PC versions, and then we go for mobile versions and explain you how to use all the functions. First, how do you do it? If you want to start Bitenium, trade on Bitenium, what do you need to do? Almost like other exchanges, you know. First is like open an account, you do eKYC, takes 3 minutes. Then we have the AI functions to do the eKYC solution for you guys. And then you can go for deposit funds. Once the funds are deposited, and then you can go for next easy simple way is start trading. So I would like to know that if any field friends are having any difficulties, can please ask us and contact us that have this solution for you guys to start with the web version. Let's start with beginning to register. We'll start the registration and see how we go with that. Just give me 1 minute. I will show you from sign up. Go to sign up, and then from sign up you click the button sign up. Then you have a direct page directed to the new page where you have to fill up some email address and then verify your email password. Make sure you understand the password. That has to be 8 characters, 1 digit, and decimal point, and also alphabets is required. So you make sure that there's something makes some difference with other passwords. So we register as a new. Just have to email register with your email address on the stage. Once you get the registration done, then you can go for add your password and then verify your email. If your mail in your mail, please check your spam mail or junk mail. It might be in there, so that you can need to check up the things and click on the link in the email. So now you will see that we have done the registration. Now we go to the email to confirm the link. So once confirmed, then you click the link. After you get the link, click on the link, and then you do the link. It will direct you to the new page. Then you go for signing. That's the first step. It's simple and easy. See here, after login, you click on verification. See the link at the bottom there. You make sure you click that link, and then you go to the next step. It will be a signing page. Here is verification. Automatically it comes here. So now it's done the sign up. Next step you have to do is go for like registration and login. And in login, you type some wrong password. Give an error to you first. Make sure your passwords are correct. That you have written down and note down all the passwords. Be written down and all those things that you can easily make the thing correctly when you add it on. If you forget password, don't worry. Like we just did it and you forget to note down. Just click forget password. That's another good point. That you can just verify your password yourself again if you reset and resend to you your email. So before you can set your password, you will need to click the link because it's required to be done that you are the owner of that. Change the password. Please make sure that this is a testing, so this will be changed everything automatically by tomorrow. So make sure you understand that password has to be noted down properly, and you can change yourself. Just click forget password, and you receive an email for that, and then you can change your password automatically yourself. Then go to sign in again. Procedure that you should understand that this is important for you to do to start trading on Bitenium. Now you have received the QR code. Which QR code is means like go to Google Play or Play Store, download it on your mobile app and scan it and add it on the. So that means you can do it. I will do it right now. Just scan the QR code and add the 6 digits. The 6 digits will change every minute. You can do even setting to 30 seconds or 2 minutes yourself. So recommended is just make it as default. But you want faster than that, 30 seconds also will be done. It's up to you guys. So once you do it as a Google Authenticator, the OTP for the security purposes, you'll see all the next is called like a wallet pop up that you can see that you can deposit funds. If you want to deposit like BTC, just have to deposit BTC. But before that, you can do it. You need to do verify KYC. So the KYC, you need to put first name, last name, email address, blah blah blah, and all those things that you can see here. It should be a correct information. First, we will be using it as information to check your status that you are the correct person and according to the AMLO or around the world which is required, not having any problems, that you can get it done easily. So this is very important part. KYC is very important part. So make sure you understand that. You need to do this first. Then only we can start the full function of trading and deposit in our exchange. Our exchange is registered in 2 countries currently, is Estonia and Seychelles. Second, now we are planning to go for Thailand, our hometown. We are based in Thailand. Our company is based in Thailand and already applied with SEC. So we should get a license soon, coming within by end of this year, and then we will allow everything as a local fiat deposit as well and withdraw as well. Our partner. So make sure that you understand these things are legalized and currently we have a lot of things going on in our head with the developments, with more functions and helpful to our users. Okay, let us fill up the form of the verifications and all. So once we get that, and then we will approve you in 5-10 minutes, so that you can proceed with the next step of start trading, deposit funds and all. It will be simple and easy for you. Just 2 minutes. Let him fill up the form, like using everything. You need only ID card. We have face detection. You can start that. So you will require 2 things. One is electricity bill, and one is passport copy or iLocal ID, which we need to verify before we can start the verification for you to approve you. So we require that. Is quite important. I hope you understand that it's normally all exchanges are same. Nothing different from other exchanges. So this is the main part that you need to do it before you can start trading. Give you a few minutes. You need uploading the documents, which is my passport and one utility bill. So if an ID, you need a front and back ID. For passport, it's just front, so you can just upload both of these together. Internet. So now I will approve the eKYC that we have done it. So you will see that it will be approved. Once you get that, and that means it's done, then you will be simple to start deposit and all those things. Okay, it takes a few minutes for us to the documents. Okay, then once you approve, then you will get an email. So you see that here as a function is the KYC already complete. So means now you are ready to start deposit funds. Let's go to the wallet part. There are two wallets. One is called trading wallet and one is called saving wallet. Saving is like similar to that you can deposit your funds and earn interest yearly basis. The payout is monthly basis and all those things that we currently have started. New function with savings. So when you have BTC, USDT or any coins you want to do for saving, you can just put saving and get the interest. But depends on the owner of the coins how much interest he is being paid to you. So it is like locked and for 30 days period minimum currently. So it's called fixed savings. So like you can if you withdraw during like the deposit has to be on the first of every month only. The first date of every month only, and then you lock for 30 days until next 30 and until the end of the month. The first you will get the interest payout and plus you can release your funds. So make sure you understand that for savings for 30 days fixed deposit, so you earn interest divided by annum for 12 months and you get paid out on that and in your trading wallet. So you can start to withdraw fund, trade, whatever you like, or you want to redeposit it. You have to do it on the first of the month, every first of the month. Okay. So now let's start with just a trading wallet. So you will see here now, let's go to BTC, deposit BTC. Suppose you want to deposit some BTC, you get a QR code and then it will give you a link to deposit funds. The internet is slow, sorry about that guys. So just want to go step by step that you can understand how to do it. The same withdraw is similar to other exchanges. Just need an address and click on where the address is being generated. So you can get this copy address and then go to any other exchange and send the funds to this address. When the blocks confirm, the funds will be credited to your account. Okay. So now this is the procedure just for wallet part, KYC part, plus with let's see with other things that going on is called like what else left is there? There's no sign up, the PD from the beginning, sign in, QR code. These things are being done at the one time only, not regular basis. It's just one time. So once it's done, you don't need to do every time. Just one time go, like when you open an account with other exchange. Now let's start. Give you some more information about what we need to do if we need to withdraw funds. We have to go to some few of words to do this all because we are on highly secure platform. Withdraw funds or deposit funds or this KYC is very important for us for your security. You need to go to the settings part where you need to do the setup first before you start trading. I would recommend you do these things first that you don't have problems in withdraw funds or deposit funds or anything you want to do in this smooth as you feel comfortable. So let's start with the currency. In future, like example, you want to see the currency conversion. You can choose Indian rupees, euro, yen, yuan, anything you would like. It is there. You can convert it to your local currency. It has a fixed exchange rate. Convert it and show you a rough idea of the price that you can understand that this is the price in local currency. So currently we have done default as far as USDT. What is the password? If you want to change your password, you can change anytime you want. Your current password, and then you put your new password. Don't forget to do the same like you did earlier. You can say you need one number and and all those things so that you can do the password. After that, you just click change. It will change automatically to your new password. The important part is for withdrawal, which is required. We call it secret PIN. This is one thing very important with OTP when you do it and mail. So you can say we have very high secure like equity markets and all like that, which is legalized with SEC and all those things they require for safety purposes. So secret PIN, you set up a secret PIN. You can see here can be digits of numbers, 6 numbers, which is 6-character number you need it to set up the PIN. Make sure it's 6 characters only, and then click set up PIN. PIN has been set up. The PIN should have at least 1 character or digit. Okay, sorry about that. So minimum is 6 at least. So set up PIN. Once you have set up your PIN, it will give you a setup successfully. This is used when you withdraw your funds. Make sure that you understand. Because PIN also is important in equity market or in investment for your security purposes. You will need to do it to set up PIN one time, but you can change anytime you would like to change. We have no rights to do anything. It is your own PIN that you created, so you only have the access to do the withdrawal, change the PIN to anything you want. It's only you. Make sure you understand that. No one else can be done. Change that PIN. Another function at the bottom is line alert, and we have a Telegram alert as well. So what we need to do with line alert, we are not showing it in many countries because mostly Asian people they use line and all this. Especially in our country, Thailand, they use a lot of line. But there is Telegram as well, which we'll upload later on soon for you guys. That we can use in Telegram alert. What does it mean with line alert and Telegram alert? We do this one time. We need to go to line notify to make a token number to put in here and then set up and activate a line alert. And in this function, we will do it next time because it's not very important at current stage. So I can explain to you in next session. So let's go ahead with API key. There is similar to other ones that we need to like you want to go with like algo trading with other platform or writing Excel or Python kernel and all of those things. We have an API key, API secret, which you have to generate it like other exchanges, and you can start creating your own system or other third-party software, connect with our exchange and make use of API key secret to execute orders on our exchange. So this is also, I think, very familiar with that or not, that we will do in the next session. So now next step, start to go to exchange. On top you will see there you see the function home, exchange, IEO is for when we have an IEO, somebody wants to raise funds from the exchange, you can go to IEO and all those things and see what are you interested in investment, and their tokens are interested to you, so you can start purchase IEO during the period of soft cap and hard cap. The wallet is the same way you keep all the funds and all, check the funds portfolio, you can check in the wallet system. Transactions, you will see here, there are trade history, deposit and withdrawal history like other exchanges, no difference. Once you have deposit, the transaction will come, then how much you deposit, how much you withdraw, when have you activated trade history, and all those. So this function, you are seeing all that. And another function we have very good for you guys is called affiliate status. So where you recommend friends and you earn commission from us. See, for example, he made $1,000 of commission with us, you will get $500 back into your account. Sounds interesting. So that means that you can just click here, get the copy address over there on top, and share it to your friends around, get bonus, and all those things on exchange. You get 50% payout from what we get, and your friends get more and more, so you also will get. We call it free affiliate payout structure. It will help you out to get more commission and more and more and more. The more you recommend, the more you invite friends, the more money you make, the more commission you get. I hope that this function helps you a lot. And some people make only on living on recommending people or marketing purposes. You can make good return and make their own savings and grow their own and their living every day. Let's go to now the main important part. Okay, let's go to the exchange. Web exchange. Big exchange. You will see here everything is coming up slowly and setup is committed before 1 minute. Here comes the full web version for you guys to start with and all those things. So it's very simple and easy function. If you know how to use the web version and all how to create it. The main, let's talk on top. What will you see on top of the web version? This is called help and support, right? You see here help and support function at the top. See here exchange is called, we have trade, spot and futures. You are looking at spot, you can see here showing you spot. Here the right hand side here showing you spot. Once you change here to the future, for the future we as I told just now, we are on data testing. You just have the Bitcoin. So you will have only can see only on Bitcoin, and here you can see the change spot as indicated. Currently we will appreciate that we are just focusing on spot until future we have confirmed that is good and ready to go live. Only then we start many points. Currently, what we feel that spot people are trading more highly and all those things, so we would like to show you things that is more important that you can make easy living and all, make good profit with our strategies and all those things on based on web version also, where you can go anywhere around the world. You just need a tablet or mobile, you can still use it with web browser. So this is called a web version where you can go anywhere around and use anywhere there should be internet connection for you guys, where you can start trading easily and all. So now the next function over here is called help and support. Okay, if you click that, you'll see some few documentations like how to download the PC AI version, how to do KYC, how to use Trendline. This is something new, algo trading that we are introducing to the market for cryptocurrencies. But we have this for a long time back, many years on the equity market. One click function and all those things. Everything is here. You get some information. These are mainly mostly on PC version. So we will have more web functions. You can go to our YouTube channel. You'll find a lot of things down there and see the things how to go, how to use those things and all that. Now from here, you can see here the drop down is Bitcoin. So it's BTC. If I change here, just click the drop down here, you will see all the points available there for trading. See, we have huge points of trading down here, more than 100 over. So you can start trading any points, popular points, top ranking points, and all those things in the market. So what I want to show to you now, another point is that once you click, example, I have some point that I'm interested in. Let's say sushi. I just put in here on the start as yellow. It will add to the favorite. See here? So you can add to the favorite easy, simple way. For example, I'm trading on, I want on BTC or ADA, Cardona and all those things. So on Cardona, I just put a highlight here and you will see as a favorite and you just click and let the chart will come for you. See that simple and easy how you can add to favorite and all. So it will be some points that you trade a lot. You don't have to search, you just can add in favorite by the drop down here arrow, the triangle drop down that has points, all points, and your favorite point. Don't forget to click on the star, not on the name. Suddenly, so it will be on the star and be on the star. So make sure that you understand that you have to click on the star because our new version will keep on developing and all those things will help you easily to do the things up. So this is called now what you are seeing here. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, please post in our Facebook, Messenger, or in our group and all. We have Telegram, we have Line, we have Facebook, Twitter. You can ask anything down there and we can support you guys. So, for example, here now I have used our own charting library. You can add indicators and all those things. I think this will be on next session. That how do you add indicators, how do you create on chart and all those things. That will inform you how to use web version, basic version, easy version for you guys to start with. So you move to advanced version. So with web version you can see here. One important thing I want to say to you guys that's very important for web version. Because of the data is running in real time and the chart library, it needs to update regularly. So we need to put here, you see here, blue highlight will come up, means it will push the chart to the latest candle and on the right side. If you don't do this, you can see here that you can move around anywhere, right? But if you push that highlight, you push to the right, and now you don't need to do anything. The automatic new candles comes up, new price come up, it will add you to the right of the chart. Here is called like ask. Here is called buy. The buyer is around is called bid. Bid ask is on, bid is down, ask is on top. So you will see here the price is very close to similar to the volume changes, and our volume is currently 400 and okay, sorry. So alright, okay, I'll change it to BTC first, then you can see the volume of BTC. Uh, 1288 BTC for the last 24 hours. This will be adding up every day, and also you can say liquidity is not an issue for us. So it's going well as well, and you will get the market price or same price as other people say. So you can cash out anytime you want and see the liquidity before you start with high volume trading with us. So what you see here is going buy and sell is happening. Trade report is going on. Okay, trade volume is going on. That you can see is happening every milliseconds. So here is the big function. You can see here is last price. Hours, 24 hours change. 24 high, low, volume. And here is called internet. You can see if you are connected or not. This changes red color. Means your internet connection has been lost. Something like that. So you need to do the things up yourself. Just see the connection of internet that it's properly connected or not. Here showing you that you're on spot or on future or other in future like options and all this coming up. So you can see from here what you are trading on. Here are some few functions that you need to see: the line notification, the wallet part, account verification, and all those. So these are wallet. If you want to go to withdraw and all those things, just click here. Then open the new web browser. Go to the wallet part for you to start withdraw or deposit funds and all this. Right on the page. So now here is completely show you all the things that you can know that how is the trading activity done on web version. So now once you execute the orders, you need to put limit or market. Limit means that you want to place an order or set a price in a quantity. So once you put the price in the limit sector, means you want to, like example, I want to put amount of USDT, like if I have amount $10 here. So you will see here it automatically calculates the price currently here. Shows you the price for USDT will be this price. You keep on changing slowly if you need, but earlier. The total received, you will receive this much BTC. The fee is 0.10%. Okay, my friends, the fee is similar to very big exchanges. Like the big exchanges are charging you 0.1%, and many exchanges are charging 0.2, 0.25. We are charging 0.1% for fee. So currently we haven't done for market maker and taker, so we'll be adding that soon, and we'll update to you next session and all those things. So here you click a buy. This is the limit price I want to buy. Example, now currency is 46901. So I want to buy the price at what is price. For example, I want to buy at $48,000. You want to put this now? $46,000. So you can just calculate the amount of $10 and you get this much BTC and you can keep part. Currently we haven't deposited the funds, so it's showing you here what is your available balance. It's zero. So means you have no funds, so you cannot execute order. Make sure you have funds before you execute the order, then you only can start trading. Right? Similar to the same thing, when you sell, you have to have the coins. It's not about what you have the dollars, you have to have the coins. Okay, example, using Cardona, Ripple, you have to have the coins before you start executing the orders. No, it doesn't mean you have US dollar, but you don't have the coin and you can sell. You cannot sell. If in the future market, yes, you can do that. Spot market, you cannot do that. So you need to have coins before you execute the order. So you have to put amount you want to have. Example, I have 1 BTC. I want to sell 0.5. Okay. So you calculate that this much amount you receive USDT. You see the difference here. When you sell, you are getting back in USDT. When you buy, you are getting in Bitcoin. I hope this you are clear of that. So here, once we have done that, you just click sell. As it will say sell to you. You see here, it will give a pop-up to you. You want to confirm. Are you sure you want to sell? But if you don't have funds, what will happen? It will say that invalid because funds are not available. This is a simple thing that they're showing to you up. Pop-up will come up that confirm or rejection or whatever it is. You will see that your funds are not available. As you see here, it is showing us as rejected. So once you put the mouse over there, it will show you as invalid order quantity and invalid funds and also and so. You will come to know the reason of your rejection of the order. Alright? So these are the things that you will see available in your positions, open orders, that what are available, what are matched, you have bought it, cancellations and all those things and all. So positions, when you have bought it, it will be available here. You are holding what coins in your wallet and all those things in your trading system in your wallet. Stay here. What coins do you have? What coins are available? What funds are available to trade and all those things. History means to show you that from this date to this date, what have you purchased. You can filter it by date. So here, so and so. So you will come to know that on what date you have traded and what quantity you have traded, what commission you have paid, and also so. So conditional order is something we will explain in next session, that how to use this function. So we'll just skip for now. And we'll use it in the next session and we will understand how to use this one. Currently, what we will do that we will show you the open orders, position orders, and all those things, history order and all, where you can start to use it. Right? So these are functions you can. If you want to see like in position, if you want to do like you have a filter, there are so many coins, right? Thousands of coins in future you have in this exchange. So you just filter which currency you have more than 0. Click here, currently he has nothing, so this will be 0. You see there's no coins available. So if there's available, it will show you only the coins of available coins that are in your wallet or in your positions you are holding. So this is called, just make sure you tick this mark. It will help you also to filter only the coins you are holding. It will be easier for you so that you don't have this problem. Mark around here is a refresh button, where you can refresh in case of any delay or anything happens and you feel that it's not showing you the right position. Before you contact us, please refresh it. Even in open order, you want to refresh to confirm. Sometimes it takes about 1 minute or 30 seconds to come and display because of matching engines and all those things take some time to display and all those things. So just press refresh here. Here, you see here the blue that I'm not doing here. Refresh it, it will show you everything available immediately. That what are you holding, what is the position opening, and all those things. Make sure you understand this. It's quite important to understand that email. Currently, I've explained you how to buy, how to sell, what are these functions available. what are on this side with offer, with ask, and trade report. How we use all these functions on the top. And chart will be next session of next week. We plan to reduce our Bitenium every week, once a week on Thursday. Then timing UTC +7. Local time, our local time is 4 to 5 p.m. +7 UTC. Make sure that we will keep on advertising and showing you updates of our versions and all, like mobile will be next session. So hope that this will help you a lot, and make sure you understand how to use all the web versions and all that. So hope this is for today the session. We'll end the session with this functions and all. With web version and PC version will be next. Advanced version will be coming next week. You feel free, have any questions, please feel free to ask us. Thanks for your time and have a nice day.